First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night.
Hey everybody, Donovan here again. We are in Salon Republic, Santa Monica on 2nd, and I'm here with Marc Christopher.
What's up, you guys?
Marc is, give me your Instagram where they can see you.
At Beauty Marked.
At Beauty Marked. We'll spell that, we'll put it up on the screen for you. Now I have to say, I was miking us up. I had a bit of a challenge with the microphone on Marc's shirt. I mean, he's got the plunging shirt, so I was having a hard time figuring out where to put it.
I love the adjective, plunging.
I mean, I feel like maybe I need to drop a button. What do you think?
I think it's summer.
It is summer. I mean, better?
Much better.
Okay, we'll start.
Much better.
All right. Okay. So, what are you gonna do for us today?
A few things.
Okay.
You know, I've been doing lashes for 7 years, and I love it. And I feel as if we're in a place now with lashes that's not just about applying them. We're in a place now that the client gets to come in, do a little research, bring a pic, know if they want a cat eye, know if they want a doll eye. It's not just about getting them on anymore.
Okay.
So what I like to do with my clients and what I want to show today is how I really think it's a collaboration for it to be the most successful. And it's not always just one look, but at one time can be one look and the next time can be a different look. It's playful. We take responsibility, they need to take responsibility with the care of their lashes afterwards.
I see.
Because,
okay.
yeah, the question I hear a lot is, are these gonna damage my lashes? Or my lashes have been damaged. I have a friend who did lashes and the person damaged her lashes. So I really like to make sure that I train my clients so that when they come in with 80% of their lashes. They come with 60% of their lashes. But most importantly, that they're not damaging their own.
All right, so you out there are going to get a lot of great information about lash maintenance,
yes.
What it takes to keep them up, you know, the styles. You guys, there's tons of options when it comes to lashes, so you kind of need to know a little bit about what type of lash you want before you come in. That helps everything. So we're gonna get into all that and also show your process.
That's right.
All right, let's go.
So before, I think this is important to say, I had her go to the sink, I had her wash this area, I had her wash this area, and then naturally it'll just the detergent gets here as well. So what happened is, when I run my fingers across her lid, I feel that there's no oil. And I won't bore you guys with a lot of that extra stuff, but what it means to you is, which is exciting, is that once I put these lashes on, they're staying on forever, okay?
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close and my heart fills up with butterflies.
It's good to have, as a client, to have an idea, maybe a picture, an idea of what style, what type of lash that you're gonna be wanting. So how would a client go about figuring that out? What do you recommend?
You know, I'm gonna tell you, Instagram has been like, for the client and for us, our best friend. There are so many different companies, there's so many different lash stylists that have all of their styles and the descriptions and up to even the length.
How would I know what's gonna look good on me?
That's a great question. That's what we're here for.
Okay.
Is, you know, even when my clients come in, if a client comes in and tells me that she wants a cat eye, I will say to her, that's not for you, or yes, that's for you. Or we'll also discuss morphing it into something that's part doll, part cat eye. Instead of bringing it long all the way on the outside like a cat eye would be, we'll bring it longer 3/4 out. So we'll collaborate on that.
Gotcha. All right, Mike, so we're taking a little break. That sounded like Mike. Let me say it again.
Who's Mike?
I know.
Are you Canadian or something?
No, I'm from Minnesota.
Okay,
So
we've discussed this,
yes,
and it did.
Yes.
Okay.
So sometimes the accent.
Don't you know?
Oh, it comes out a little bit.
Yeah, it did, you know.
All right, so we're taking a little break. Marc wants to talk to you guys about care. What do you want the clients to know, people that are watching, about taking care of them?
That it's not that hard to care for. There's just a few things that you need to remember. That this adhesive, I always want to say compound, and it's like, why? Like I do this adhesive.
Glue.
It is glue. But glue sounds so like
Sounds kind of gross.
You get it.
Yeah. Adhesive
Like when you used to eat glue as like your glue sticks as a kid. This adhesive is an oil-based product, and anytime that you put oil next to an oil-based product, you're going to break down the compound. So there, I get to use my word too.
Compound. Got it.
And so the best thing to remember is to keep oil, including skin oil, away from the lashes. So the best thing to remember is to always keep the under eyes clean, keep the lid clean. We don't really want you to touch the lashes a lot once they're on and they're set. If you need to brush them a little bit, that's fine.
What about exercise and working out? How do you work that in?
Well, I would love to say don't exercise, but this is LA, and
exactly.
We know that's not going to happen.
Yeah.
So exercise.
Okay.
Eat well.
Stay healthy.
Do your thing.
But how do you take care of the lashes in the meantime?
Well, here's what I want to say. Sweat is not your enemy. It's just that, again, when sweat's mixed with oil, it's going to be your enemy if it gets on the lashes. So if you cleanse your face before you go work out and you wear headbands.
Mm-hmm. Ooh,
so that the sweat,
let's bring back the sweatband.
Right?
I think it's time.
Bring it back.
You never left.
We've been using them. Now the hot yoga people, which again there's a lot of, you just need to, anytime you heat this compound, this glue up. Anytime you heat this up, this hot glue, some of them may fall off, because then when you get up past a certain temperature, the glue might get soft again. So
don't freak out.
What you want to remember is, no freaking out.
My eyelashes are falling out.
After you come out of yoga, just let them cool off and don't try to brush them and try to move them around and then brush them.
Makes sense. Let's talk about repetition of appointments. How often do they have to come in? How does that work?
Lash fills?
Yeah, lash fills,
okay.
Sure. Lash fills. They call them lash fills.
Get it right. Some clients like them full, super full, so they like to come in every 2 weeks. Some clients keep them on better, so they can do 3 to 4 weeks. It should work for your lifestyle. It should work. They should look the way you want them to look. The only thing I'll say is book your follow-up appointment with your stylist before you leave, because it's much easier to move you around once you're in, once you're on our schedule.
Book your return appointment before you leave.
Just listen to us. We know what we're talking about.
It will keep their sanity. It will keep Marc sane.
Well, what I was going to say is that you never want to need a fill. There's nothing worse than, when you see, and I see it all the time, is I'm like, oh, she needs a fill, because I exercise a lot too, and I'll be at my exercise classes, and I'm like, oh, she needs a fill. She must have not pre-booked.
All right, last question I have for you. Is getting lashes addicting?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you see, even our model lounge, she's saying yes.
It's true. You will find yourself eating less.
Yeah.
And
saving,
getting rid of other things that you just aren't as important in your life. So it's a yeah for me.
My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart.
All right, so this has been great. Thanks again to Marc for showing us, giving us all this information for you about taking care of your lashes, what it's about, and giving us a little glimpse into how your process is and what you do. So if people want to book with you, follow you, what's the best way to reach you?
These days I have business cards and you're welcome to them, but the easiest way to get a hold of me is go to beautymark.com. My Instagram is @beautymarked, and I'll spell it for you now because I know we didn't before, but
I'll throw it up on the screen.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay. Cool.
Magic.
Easy. It's the only one that comes up on Instagram. We like that. And or you can do the old-fashioned way. You can text me or call me at 31.
I love that that's old-fashioned.
And I like that it is because
it is, right?
I love Instagram and I love social media. I think that used properly, it has been such a great way for clients to get a hold of me, and I use it on the regular. So you have a lot of avenues to get a hold of us here.
Great. Thanks, Marc.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys next time.
The only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart.